Switch for Solar helps South Australian concession holders lower their energy bills and be hundreds of dollars better off every year by allowing them to switch some concession payments for solar installed at little to no upfront cost. Switch for Solar is currently available for up to 5,000 eligible South Australian households. To be eligible, you must own and live in a detached or semi-detached home in South Australia, be connected to the electricity grid, hold an eligible Centrelink or DVA card, currently receive the energy concession and cost of living concession, use more than 2,000 kilowatt hours of electricity per year, and not already have a solar PV system. Your home also needs to pass a site assessment to make sure it is suitable for a safe and effective solar installation. By joining the program, you switch your energy concession and cost of living concession for 10 years in exchange for a 4.4 kilowatt solar PV system installed at little to no upfront cost. Then, you also get the immediate and ongoing benefits of a solar PV system that can save a typical South Australian household hundreds on their yearly electricity bills. Compared to concessions they currently receive, a typical household could be $157 to $525 better off every year. Hassle-free solar at little to no upfront cost. Lower energy bills, hundreds of dollars better off. That's Switch for Solar. To find out more or register for Switch for Solar, visit www.sa.gov.au/switchforsolar. Call the program hotline on 08 8226 3100 or email switchforsolar@sa.gov.au and learn how you can switch for solar today.